Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Sheets for estimated tax calculations step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser. Type in the address bar www.google.com/sheets. Hit the enter key on your keyboard. Once on the Google Sheets homepage, look for the Go to Google Sheets button and click it. You will need to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Enter your email address and click Next. Type in your password and click Next again. Once you're signed in, you will see a blank spreadsheet and a template gallery. To create a new spreadsheet, click on the blank option with the plus sign. Now that your new spreadsheet is open, it's time to set up columns for your estimated tax calculations. Label the first column as income source. In the second column, label it amount. In the third column, label it estimated tax rate. Next, enter your income sources in the first column. In the second column, enter the corresponding amounts for each income source. Then, in the third column, input the estimated tax rates you expect to apply. In the fourth column, you will calculate the estimated tax owed. In cell D2, type the formula equals B2*C2. Press Enter to execute the formula. This will multiply the amount by the estimated tax rate for your first entry. To apply this formula to the remaining rows, click on the small square at the bottom right corner of cell D2. Drag it down to fill in the formula for the other rows. Now, you should see the estimated tax owed for each entry. To calculate the total estimated tax owed, click on an empty cell below your last entry in column D. Type the formula equals sum, D2 laughing face, last row, where last row is the number of the last row with data. Press Enter to see the total estimated tax owed. To format your currency, select your amount and estimated tax owed columns. Go to the Format menu, choose Number, and select Currency. This will make your spreadsheet easier to read. Finally, save your spreadsheet by clicking on File in the top left corner. Select Save or Rename to give your file a title. Now you have a fully functional Google Sheets document for your estimated tax calculations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.